Alright, so we're doing a video blog today. I am exhausted. Working in the studio late at night, my day job, I don't have the energy to do a big long post this, what is it, Thursday. See, I'm a little slow lately, so you have to excuse me, but I've done some work. As you guys saw last post, I have finished moving in at least, and I got some work to do. You probably saw some of the tape machines, the console, some cool stuff that I'm going to be working on soon, or the console we're almost half done getting through it, at least so far. And I just wanted to show you something that I needed to work on this week. Now, I'm sure you saw it, and I'll see if I can show you here, but I have my Plate Reverb set up in the middle of the room, and I spent a lot of time trying to get it nice and clean because there's a lot of oil on it and stuff. I won't go, well, it's a blog about tech, I should go into it, shouldn't I? I cleaned the plate up because there was a lot of oil and residue from the tape that I put on it when I was moving it. Otherwise, well, that was kind of a pain. I tried to clean it out a little bit. I hooked up the amplifier after checking the power supply right there. It's kind of just sitting in there for now. And I replaced the driver, which is right there. And by replaced, I mean I put it back. I removed it for the move just so that if the plate fell, the driver there wouldn't get sheared off. And that didn't happen, so that's good news, I'd say. But I have big news. When I finally powered up the power supply, let me just turn the volume up here. And gave the plate a tap. It works. Woo! I hope you guys can hear that because it sounds amazing. I've got this huge damper plate on the back here you can see moves in and out. And it doesn't actually touch the plate, but when you move it closer, it dampens the reverb so much. It's insane. I don't even really understand the principle because it never actually touches it. Oh, check this out. Okay. Whew. Got a lot of bass there. Okay, so this is fully open. It's fully open. And then this is fully closed. Open, or half open, let's say. Closed. It's not actually touching right here. But it makes such a big difference. Whatever. So that's something that's adjustable through this pin up here. A big motor goes on top and turns it, and you can use it with a remote control that I got, which apparently aren't that common, which is I'm pretty happy about. And yeah, it works. Yes! I already kind of knew it worked, and even though it's not totally working yet, I have faith. So yeah, I wanted to say to all you guys, I've been noticing a huge amount of traffic through my blog, and I'm really amazed. A couple of you guys have messaged. I've even got a couple of emails, and it's really nice to see that I'm not the only person that enjoys reading about this kind of stuff. Please follow along. If I keep getting readers, I keep getting traffic, I'm not going to stop. I got a ton of other stuff to show you guys. I've started even planning way in the future about things that I could talk about and things that I want to restore. So I think I've got material to go for a long time. Just if you like it, leave a comment or tell a friend about it, and that'd be totally cool. I really appreciate everybody that's actually reading it. And I know some of you are reading it because I can see some of the traffic and how long you guys spend on the webpage and where you guys are going. Google Analytics is really cool. So I'm really pleased with how it's going so far. And obviously I'm really pleased, if you can see, with how the studio's looking. It's a bit of a mess, but it's home for now. So thanks again. And I will be back next week, I think, or on Monday, with a fully normal blog like before. I think I'm going to go back to the console because I need to wait for a couple parts for the Plate Reverb before I can finish it up. I think I will do one more post on the Plate, and maybe we'll make it a surprise when it comes. Alright, thanks a lot. I hope you guys are having an awesome week, because although mine is busy, it can be better. Thanks.